Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare healthy and tasty horse gram palya and bassaru. Now let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare palya. We need chopped onion, coriander leaves, green chili, curry leaves, oil, asafoetida, cumin seeds and salt to taste. Here I have taken 1 small cup of horse gram and soaked in water for 8 hours. Then I have allowed it to sprout for 1 day. Here are the sprouted horse grams. I am going to use these in making horse gram sprouted palya. Let's start the preparation. First we have to thoroughly wash the sprouted horse gram. Now let's take it in a pressure cooker. We have to add enough water. Here I am using one small steel spoon inside the cooker so that while pressure cooking the water will not come out from the cooker. Add salt to taste and allow it to cook on high flame for 4 to 5 whistles. Here you can see it is whistling and the water is not coming out. The spoon is helping for that. Now the pressure cooker has released the pressure. We can strain the water. Keep the strained water aside so that we can use it to make Saaru. Take the spoon out and here I am taking 2 tablespoons of cooked horse gram in a small bowl so that we can use it to make Saaru. Now we can start preparing the palya. Keep one pan for heating. Once the pan is hot, add in oil, cumin seeds, curry leaves, green chili, asafoetida, finely chopped onion. Cook it on medium stove heat for 1 to 2 minutes or until onions become translucent. This palya is very simple to make. Now it's time to add cooked horse gram or cooked Hurali Palya. Add salt to taste, finely chopped coriander leaves. Now mix everything well and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I am going to add fresh grated coconut. Mix it one more time. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes and switch off the stove. Now Hurali Palya is ready. Keep it aside. Now we can see what all ingredients we need to prepare Bassaru. We need garlic, chopped onion, tomato, cooked Hurali Kalu or horse gram, curry leaves, coriander leaves, tamarind, jaggery, sambar powder, salt, cumin seeds, fresh grated coconut, oil, asafoetida and the strained cooked water from Hurali Kalu. Keep one pan for heating. Once the pan is hot, add in oil, cumin seeds, garlic, chopped onion, tomato, asafoetida. Roast it for 1 to 2 minutes or until onions become translucent. Switch off the stove, allow it to cool for some time. Take it in a grinding jar. Now we have to add cooked Hurali Kalu or horse gram. tamarind, jaggery, fresh grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, salt to taste. Close the lid and grind it into a coarse paste. Coarse paste is ready. Keep it aside. Now keep one pan for heating. Add in oil. Once the oil is hot, we have to add cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves. Roast it for few seconds. Now it's time to add prepared paste. Cook it on medium stove heat for 1 to 2 minutes, and then we have to add Hurali cooked water. Now it's time to add salt, finely chopped coriander leaves. Stir it well so that there are no lumps with the ground paste. Allow this to cook on medium stove heat for 5 to 6 minutes or until it comes to complete boil. Hurali Kalina Bassaru is ready to serve with ragi mudde. In the last video, I have shown you how to make ragi mudde. Now we can serve the ragi mudde, Hurali Kalina Palya and Bassaru. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.